In July of 2018, Western Japan was hit with a series of floods that devastated the surrounding areas. The floods began on July 3rd and lasted until about July 8th. These floods were the first of this magnitude in Japan since 1982. The flooding was a result of successive heavy downpours brought by Typhoon Proparoon that led to widespread flooding and mud flows. Some areas in Japan had around 39 inches of rain. Over 8 million people were told to evacuate their homes. Around 11,200 homes lost electricity, and around 225 people were killed. The floods greatly affected transportation in West Japan, as all of the bullet trains west of the Shin Okasuka Station were shut down. Some of these bullet trains were even being used as temporary hotels for the Japanese citizens. Commerce was also greatly affected, as it became very difficult for imports and exports to be transported in and out of the country. The total damage of the flooding is expected to add up to around $6 billion US. Because of the sudden nature of the floods, there was not much done to mitigate the impacts of the flooding. However, there were numerous rescue efforts launched to aid the victims. Around 2,000 people were rescued from rooftops of buildings alone. Surrounding countries such as Taiwan, Thailand, the Philippines, Singapore, Israel, and Malaysia aided Japan in a major way. The Japanese community as a whole reacted quickly to the tragedy, which stopped further damage and deaths.